Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain MCL lab program number 8. So that's write a Java program to create an enumeration with name day of a week. So there should be out an enumeration with name day of a week. So how to create enumeration? Go with the keyword enum and write what day of a week. Okay. So note the next requirement with 7 values Sunday to Saturday. So Sunday to Saturday. So there should be named constant from Sunday towards Saturday. Okay, for that each named constant we are assigning what some value for Sunday 1 and Monday 2, and in the same way till Saturday what 7. Okay, and there is certain variable with name what value, and there will be space for this value with respect to what each named constant. For Sunday there will be space for value, Monday also there will be space for value, in the same way till Saturday there will be space for what value. Okay, and if write in this way, this is once enum got loaded, at that time once the object got activated, it will going to call what parameterized constructor. If you just write about this one named constant, it will going to call constructor. If write constructor with some value or a named constant with value, it will going to call parameterized constructor. Okay, so this will be executed, and this will be executed, and whatever number we are passed, that will be copied into v, that will be assigned to value. Means for for each named constant there will be space for value. Within that space it will going to assign this number. For Sunday the value contains number 1, so Monday the value contains number 2. The same way Saturday the value contains the number what 7. Okay, once enum got loaded, this are called as objects in enum. Okay, objects with value, so parameterized constructor will be what executed, and value get corresponding number. Okay, yeah. So what is the next requirement? Add a method is working day. There should be what on method is working day to this particular enum, and that should return true if it is working day. Means Monday to Friday it should return what true, and the Sunday it should and Saturday it should return what false. Okay, so that is what our requirement. So we have taken what on a method with name is working day. So just observe here, from 2 to 6 it is returning what true. 2 to 6 means from Monday to Friday it's returning what true, and Sunday and Saturday it is returning what false. Sunday means 1 and Saturday means what 7, it is returning what false. And if we enter any other number, it will going to return what false. That's it. Okay, so is working day. Since it is returning either true or false, we have taken return type as what boolean. So we have taken what method is working day. With working days it should return what true, and non-working days it should return what false. Okay, yeah. So next we have what on mean. If it is returning what true, we'll print some message. It's a working day. If it is returning what false, we'll go on to print the message. It's not a working day. Okay. For that we are taken out on class. There's a public static void main. So we are just printing the message enter a date to check whether it's working or not, and we are taking help from scanner to read what string. Okay. So this next line we're going to read a string. For that we have taken out an object. So through object we are calling that function. Okay. Next we are converting that one to lowercase. Why? Because all the constants are there in what lowercase. Okay, that is the reason we are converting that one to lowercase. Again we are storing that one in str. Then so at this particular, see, because of this line your enum will be get loaded. This complete enum will be get loaded. Okay, enum will be get loaded, and object got activated, and your parameterized constructor will be what called, and value get the corresponding number for each named constant. Okay, yeah. After this line, yeah, in the same line there's a one more function value of this value of function. What it will do is it will take a string as an input. Assume the entire value is what Wednesday. Okay, and that will going to check whether that Wednesday is present within the this enum day of a week. So enum day of a week there is a Wednesday, correct, right? So if that's true, means this Wednesday, this object, this is not a string, this object will be copied into y. So y contains the value now Wednesday. Now using y, I'm just calling is working day. So Wednesday is we are calling it is working day. So Wednesday there's a space for value. Within that value there is a number what 4. So value contains the value what value contains number what 4. So is working day is what called, and value contains the number what 4 got printed, and it will enter what switch statement, switch 4 means this will be executed, and it will going to return true value that will be returned to the same line where you called this method, and that value will be assigned to b. So and next it will going to check whether it's b true means this will be executed. Means from Monday to Friday it will return what true. So from Monday to Friday you'll get it's a working day. Sunday and Saturday you will get the else part. It will, since it will return false. Okay, so Sunday means 1, false. False means directly else part. Else part means you'll get Sunday and Saturday is not a working day. If it is Sunday or Saturday, it will print it's not a working day. From Monday to Friday, it will print it's a working day. Okay, so we'll check that one. It's after executing. So already I have executed. So compilation Java C lab 8.java and Java lab 8. So enter a day to check whether it's working or not. I have entered what Sunday, so it's printing what 1. Why I got 1? Because here we are printing that value. So value of Sunday is how much? 1. That got printed. So next. Sunday is not a working day. So why I got this output? Because here we are printing that message. So Sunday, because y contains that object, that will be printed, and next you will get this message is a working day. In the same way, suppose if Wednesday value is what 4 and Wednesday is a working day. If you enter Sunday or Saturday, you'll get not a working day with corresponding number. So from Monday to Friday, you'll get working day with corresponding number. Okay, so just copy this particular complete program. First write the question, then copy this complete program. Okay, copy this complete program. So after copying this program, then you copy what complete output from here. So okay, one for working day and one for not a working day. Okay, if you have any doubt, you just text me. Thank you.